Hey guys, welcome.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So it's been so long and we guys really missed you.
And it's been, I guess, almost about 6 months now since we got back to our YouTube. Very difficult for us to shoot during such times.
Yeah, it was because of all what is going on right now. We really didn't feel like shooting or filming a video, and also that we couldn't meet at one place to shoot a video.
Yeah, it was really getting difficult and we were not regular because of it. So we thought of just taking a break from our YouTube.
So guys, we hit more than 18k views on my birthday video, so
You can
it
check
will
it
be
right
here,
here.
and we are so grateful for that.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. It wouldn't be possible without you, of
and
course.
your support. So
Thank you so much. So yeah, we are finally back and we thought of creating more such vlogs so that it's really interesting for you guys to watch
and it's really very convenient also for us to shoot vlogs at such times, inside a house. We are also out of ideas since we cannot go outside and vlog, but I just hope this vlog gives you some of bit positivity and entertainment.
Currently, we are frying the sausages for the pasta that we're gonna make for breakfast, and we'll show you guys what we do. So, we are making Alfredo pasta, which is white sauce pasta. So, we'll be adding some butter and then add some maida to it. Now we're gonna mix that maida into the butter. We have added some milk to it. Added a slice of cheese to it so that it becomes more creamy and tasty. Cheese always makes it tasty. We added some chili powder to it. Now add some fried sausages and salami. And then add the pasta and we'll get right back to you. So now we just added the pasta and it's just gonna be very creamy, guys. You should always add a slice of cheese. Just check it out. So here goes the pasta seasoning and chili flakes.
So we just got done with the pasta.
That's breakfast. So what do you guys prefer for breakfast? I mean, what do you like?
I mainly love Alfredo pasta and also eggs and sausages or bacon, something like that.
Yeah, same, but we mostly prefer to buy pastas which are made of suji or maybe wheat pasta, because maida is not that good always.
Yeah, and especially not for breakfast, I guess, because it takes too long to digest, which is not really good.
So I guess you guys should also see that next time when you buy pasta.
So we're actually really bored right now and we just thought of painting our nails since it's really messy right now.
That's
Show
messy,
yours
but
too.
mine is so nice.
Yeah, she just cleaned it.
Oh, we just have to.
So it's almost gone, so we just thought of painting our nails right now so we could pass some time. So I'll be adding the shade Killing Me Softly, that is I think 280 by Masaba.
And mine is the regular. It's lavender drizzle, which is 771, and
This is from Nika as well.
so we'll show you the final results.
Take some acetone.
To clean my previous nail.
Paint. Oh my god.
So cute.
This is so cute. You have to put for my right hand.
Yeah, me too.
I just said no on the camera.
Do you think my house is a garbage?
I just do. Bitch.
Do you really think Instagram would be banned?
I don't think so. Okay, even if it does, I think they might get some way to get it back. There's like a huge audience there.
You never know.
So yeah, I'm done with applying for one hand. Looks like. So she is applying the nail pen for my right hand. since it could get messy if I would put from my left to right.
So we just got done with applying nail paints, and this is how it looks like. Got it purple color.
So now we're just gonna sip some coffee and eat some snacks.
Proceed our day.
Hey guys, so mom has made some pani puri and so
we're
we
enjoying it
Yeah.
right now.
So we're gonna start eating it now and you guys can watch it, I guess. You guys can also check our Pani Puri challenge which we
Yeah,
had
if you
done
wanna
last
see
time.
the
It was a
challenge.
2-minute Pani Puri challenge.
So guys, my mom always prepares everything at home, and you guys could check out her Facebook page. She posts
Abhi's kitchen.
Yeah, she posts recipes always.
So that's it for the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did.
And we really love making such vlogs, and I hope you really liked the way we enjoyed doing this vlog. And do let us know if you guys want to watch vlogs more or challenges
or pranks or whatever.
Yeah, you guys
let us
could
know.
comment down and let us know. Also, please do like,
Share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also guys, don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you can stay notified
whenever we post videos next.
So until then, bye
Bye-bye.